What's up guys, Random Racer here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the OtterBox Symmetry Clear Edition for the all-new iPhone X. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. The Clear Symmetry case was certainly one of my most popular OtterBox cases that are reviewed for the iPhone 7 and iPhone 8. So take a closer look at the Clear case here. One thing I like about this new model is that it's crystal clear versus the matte clear that was on the previous iPhone 7 Clear case that I reviewed from last year. Aside from the clear design, it's pretty much identical in terms of the look and dimensions of the Symmetry case. You have TPU bezel borders and of course a polycarbonate back shell. Alright, so let's install this onto the iPhone X here. As you go button side first, where the volume rockers are, and it just pops into place like so. So here's what the case looks like, and the first thing I have to say is I'm kind of surprised that there isn't any watermarking on the back here, which of course is a good thing, so I'm pretty happy about that. Taking a quick overview, starting off with the front here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with the clear TPU material wrapping around the entire border of the phone. On the right side, you have a cover for the power button, the OtterBox logo engraved right next to it. And on the other side, we also have covers for your volume rockers. You still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on it, and a cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. Finally, on the back side here, which is the most highlighted feature, is the clear back that shows off the Apple logo, the iPhone logo, and the color of your phone. Also forgot you have a generous cutout for the camera and flash. Overall guys, my first impressions on the OtterBox Symmetry Clear case is very positive. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, I like how OtterBox moved from a matte finished clear case to a crystal clear that really shows off the color and back of your phone. And I'm also really surprised and happy that OtterBox was able to design a clear case with a crystal clear back that doesn't watermark on your phone. In comparison to the spec Presidio Clear case that I reviewed a month ago, I do have to say the Symmetry Clear case from OtterBox is much better designed, particularly because it doesn't have that dotted textured look on the back, where OtterBox here has no textures or anything of the sort. It's all crystal clear. Because it is the Symmetry case, you still get military grade drop protection, and all this in a not so bulky slim form factor. For those of you wondering about wireless charging capabilities, we got the Clear case on, we'll put it on top here. As you can see, it starts charging even with the case on. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about the Clear case here, my only complaint really is that the back part, because it's a clear plastic polished finish, it does collect fingerprints pretty easily. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for one of the best and most protective Clear cases on the market, you definitely can't go wrong with the OtterBox Symmetry Clear case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions or comments about this case, ask me in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.